Max Shaker bottle. What is it? It's a portable bottle that you pour your instant drinks in and automatically shake it up. So let's get a nice close-up look at what you get with the product. It's a strong engine, quick stir, large capacity, silicone handle, lasting battery, 100% AP8. It's durable and separate structure. You have a user's manual, a USB-C cable, and a large capacity bottle in black with a nice strapped handle. You have the pour lid on top that opens up, and we can close it by a very simple snap and unscrew it counterclockwise to get into the actual cup and pour your liquid in. There's a measuring device on the side, an on and off button by a long press or short press. It lights up and it silently spins. Simple press off. Let's go to the kitchen and go put some hot chocolate in the product. But before we do that, we're going to find the outlet that's on the bottom over here. We're going to charge it up and come back in a few minutes to a couple hours later. As I charge it up with a power bank, you cannot stand straight up. You lay the cup down and it shows a red light for charging. When it's completed, we remove the power bank off. This is dishwasher safe. Grab the whole unit, twist the bottom, take this unit, hand clean it, and you can place this in the dishwasher to clean it up. Now you're wondering if we want to charge it and we have to lay it down. That's why you can remove the mechanism and place the actual unit on the charger rather than have it tilted down if you have a drink inside. That is a good thing. I like hot chocolate and cold chocolate, so I take my mix, I pour it in. It is recommended to put the cap on. As you can see, it's stirring. Want it nice and cold, you put it in the fridge. Great spot for it. Throw it in the dishwasher. You simply take the base off, you take the cap off, and you place in. We're gonna time it. If you go out commuting, camping, to work, anywhere that you need to have a mixed drink, oh man, this product may be right for you. About a minute later, the machine should shut off. Exactly 1 minute later, definitely indeed. I hope you enjoy your product of a mixed drink. When it's all ready, slide off, rubber on top, and it's not going to spill. As you can see, I have liquid inside, and it mixes up the drink in a minute's time. It does it a number of times before you're able to recharge it and go again. I hope you enjoy your Max Shaker, a great product to travel with.